If I gave you $10,000 right now or told you that you could have $10,000 in 10 years, which would you pick? Most people say now. But here's the twist that separates people who retire comfortable from people who work until 70. And it's not about how much money you make. It's called compound interest. And once you understand it, you'll never look at saving money the same way again. Let's break it down. Compound interest means you earn interest, not just on the money you put in, but on the interest you already earned. It snowballs. Small at first, then faster than you can keep up with. Meet two friends. Maria starts investing $200 a month at age 25. Jordan waits until 35, then invests double, $400 a month. Both stop and let it grow until they're 65. Who ends up with more money? By 65, Maria put in less money overall, but because she started 10 years earlier, her money compounded longer. She ends up with significantly more than Jordan, even though Jordan invested double every month. Time did more work than money did. Here's the mechanism. Every year, your money earns a return. Next year, you earn a return on your original money and on last year's gains. That's the compounding. The earlier you start, the more years this stacking effect has to work. At an average 8% annual return, $200 a month starting at 25 grows to roughly $620,000 by 65. Wait until 35 to start the exact same $200 a month, and you'll end up with about $270,000. Same monthly amount. 10 years difference. Less than half the result. This is why the advice isn't, wait until you have more money to invest. It's start with whatever you have right now. $10 a week at 22 can outperform $100 a week at 35. Time is the one thing you can't buy back. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. Not because you'll have more money later, but because you'll have less time. Subscribe to Finley Finance. Every week we break down one money concept that actually changes how you think.